Cooking in a mo. Cooking in a ya. Cooking in a mo. Cooking in a ya. Cooking in a ya. Turn up. Let's get cooking, everyone. With joy and cheer.
Good day everyone, my name is Mark Simon A. Manriquez from Bachelor of Science in Hospitality and Management. Ang gagawin ko pong dishes ngayon is sariling invento ko po dahil pinagsama po siya Filipino style and uncommon ingredients. Uncommon? So ito po yung mga gagamitin kong ingredients para sa ating street food noodles. Street food noodles?
Together show how much we care. With laughter and song, our spirits take flight, creating memories shining ever so bright. Cooking in a mo. Cooking in a ya. Cooking in a ya. Turn up. Come on, let's cook, let's eat, let's celebrate this day. With every ingredient we find our way. Spices and herbs, a magical blend. Friendship and food, a bond without end. From simple ingredient, a masterpiece we create. Sharing our culture, sealing our fate. So let the good times roll, let the flavors unfold. A culinary journey, stories to be told. Cooking in a mo, cooking in a ya, cooking in a ya. Turn up.
So simulan na natin ang pagluluto. Tara na! So first, i-prepare muna natin yung ating pan. Then, painitin natin yung stove. Mali! Mali ang pag-init ng stove. Ganito po ang tamang pag-init ng stove.
Cooking in a mo, cooking in a ya, cooking in a ya. Turn up. Let's get cooking.
Prepare ko na nga yung ating mga dry ingredients at nilalagyan natin ng mga pampalasa para lalo mas sumarap ang ating niluluto. Nag-prepare ko din naman ang ating pasta, ang ating saloping noodles. So habang pinaprepare ko din lahat, gumagawa din ako ng seaweed garlic bread. Ayan. So makikita nyo dyan, busy-busy ang lola mo habang pinaprepare ang mga bagay-bagay. So ayan!
Cooking in a mo, cooking in a ya, cooking in a ya. Turn up.
After 30 minutes mga misis, ayan na. Tapos na ang ating street food noodles. Ayan, ang bonggang-bongga. Ang napakasarap. As in, sobrang sarap. Ayan. Thank you so much.